Hi, I'm Clark Easterling of Windy Hill Foundry. I'm going to be doing a mold of a compound slide for an Atlas lathe, and this is for Joel Rogers of MyMachineShop.net. This pattern is one that Chris Anderson had worked on and made, and it's went through several revisions. I have 5 castings in all that I plan to ship next week for approval, and once he gives me the green light, I'll be rolling on those. This is the original pattern that Chris had made. I kept playing around with the gating techniques and stuff till I had something that I was comfortable with as far as speed and efficiency. Well, these are 4 of the 5 castings that I poured. No shrinkage, good finish, good form. It turned out really good. This is the gate. I grounded on 2 of them. These have already been stress relieved, so they're going to have a red hue to them. You can see where the tape was, where you pull them from. These I had ground prior to stress relieving. I don't know why I didn't do all 4 like that. They look good. And the 5th one I cut up earlier today, and it sliced like butter, so I've got my material perfect. It looks good. This is my heat treat furnace. It's an old Paragon kiln. I retrofitted it with a Novus controller. It's a N480D that was recommended by Stan Zinkoski. This is the same controller he uses. And thanks to Stan, I was able to get this up and running last night. I had another controller in here that I didn't understand Chinese, so I couldn't figure the crazy thing out. All I could do was manually set the temp, and it would bring it up to that temperature and hold it. But this one will residually let the thing cool down over a 8-hour period. So it won't take any drastic jumps like the other one did.